Alright guys, so right here we've got a box, and this box was by CJ9899, who so happens to be here. Yep. And we are going to unbox this alarm box. So let's get started. Okay.
You were glitching out so much there.
Really? I'm sorry about that.
No, don't worry about it.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, yeah, my side of his trade will be here in about a week or so.
Yep. So stay tuned for... Yeah. So stay tuned for that. And yeah. And you're going to probably expect to see these alarms in my next system test. Probably by system test 40, which should be here fairly soon. So, here's the box, and we see our first device, which is what is this? Model number. Could you read this model number to me?
What is it?
It's the
that's the EST. It's just a first gen integrity remote strobe.
Yep. So now I have a first generation integrity remote strobe, which we will set over here.
Ceiling mount.
Yep, ceiling mount, as you can see. Go like that. Give it a good cleaning. And what do you know? I've got another ceiling mount integrity first generation. And the good old bubble packing peanuts. There's one right there. And alright, our next device we will see is this is you can see inside. It's well, this is essentially a Edwards 270 GAO, if I'm not mistaken.
The two-stage.
Yeah, the two-stage alarm. Oh, nice. The two-stage button is also even on here, so if I ever had a panel that could do two-stage, that's nice. Thank you for that.
Wire the individual zone.
Yeah. Thank you for that, by the way.
Well, there's one more thing.
There is one more thing, and that would be going to the end of the box, well, what do you know? Another one, another 270 GAO, which is labeled by GE, or General.
That one's not as in good condition.
No, but
A little dirty.
yeah, and there's the model number 270 GAO, General Alarm. So there are all the alarms, and yeah, and there's the box. So, again, expect to see these alarms in another system test, and thank you guys for watching. And would you like to say anything else?
Equal. We're all equal.
Yes, we are. Alright, so I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.